Hi everybody! It's day 3 of phonics lessons for the week of May 4th, 2020. We've already reviewed high frequency words and prefixes, and now we're going to work on some homophones. So we're going to get started with day 3, and we will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil. Oh, I keep blocking myself. Here we go, I'll just go up there. You'll need a piece of paper and a writing utensil when you work on phonics today. So we're going to review our homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but mean something different. We're going to review some that we've already talked about before we get into 2 new homophones. Okay, so we're going to talk about 2, 2, and 2. TWO, that's the number 2. I have 2 dogs. You can kind of see them right there. Ooh. TOO means also or more. Brr, it's too cold for me. TO is used for everything else. I went to the store. Now, I've been checking since we've had our phonics lessons to see if people are remembering their homophones, and lots of people are doing a really good job, especially being able to tell the difference between TOO and TO. But if you're ever unsure, try to really think about which two or two to use, all right? Also, we've worked on there, and there. Now, I've also been checking people's writing, and I'm seeing great improvement. If you're not sure what to do, then just review your phonics lessons, and you can practice. Okay, so THEIR, that's their stuff, their house, their car. THERE, here is the place you want to be. When they are is what you mean, that's when you add the apostrophe. Okay, so if you need to say they are and you're saying there, you need to add the apostrophe. Okay, so now we're getting into our 2 new words this week. The homophones are which and which. WHICH. That's a particular one in a group. So for instance, which bicycle is yours? If there's a group, then there's one in particular we're looking for. WITCH is a woman with magical powers, kind of like those fairy tales we've been reading lately. Okay, so which or which? WITCH, a witch was flying through the air on her broomstick. WHICH, I couldn't decide which cake I liked the best. It's a hard problem to have, right? Okay, which or which? I'm going to move myself because I'm blocking some words. There we go. Which school lunch is your favorite? Which school lunch is your favorite? So I'm going to start typing and see where I end up here. Oh, I'll be coming back. You may have heard my computer beeping at me a little bit, so I had to go fix it. Which school lunch is your favorite? And that's WHICH, because we're not talking about a magical lady there. Last Halloween, I dressed up as a witch. Last Halloween, I dressed up as a witch, WITCH. I can't tell which flower is real. I can't tell which flower is real. Notice for that one, it's not a magical person, so WHICH. I have seen a witch fly before. I have seen a witch fly before. And for that one, that is WITCH. Sorry, I'm just fixing this a little bit. I followed the map, but I didn't know which way to go. I followed the map, but I didn't know which way to go. WHICH. This homophone, because each which is very different than the other one, is not as difficult as some of the maybe theirs or twos. So hopefully you'll have less trouble with these. So we just practiced that, and then I will also put this which in your folder for you to practice. And remember, guys, I will have the answers included, but it's not like cheating time. It's for you to actually figure out which you're going to use on this page, and then you can check your answers to see if you're correct. If you'd like to turn this into your teacher so your teacher knows that you are working on it, that's great, but you don't have to, okay? So I hope you practice your which, and I hope you have a terrific day. Bye.